When choosing a microSD card for your dashcam, there are a number of important factors to consider. At Nextbase, we recommend using a U3 SD card with a higher write speed than a normal SD card. This is because the SD card is required to loop record at an incredibly fast speed. Loop recording is how the SD card continuously records footage while simultaneously overwriting pre-existing data, which means an SD card with high endurance is essential. If a lower capacity card is used, certain features will potentially not function properly, which can lead to issues such as freezing and missing footage. But after years of testing, trialing, and developing, Nextbase has designed U3 SD cards with high continuous write speeds that specifically fulfill the needs of our dashcams, which means you can be sure your dashcam will work perfectly just when you need it most.